whipped away. Is there a deep square out there? There is, but he can't get around to him. At one moment there, I'm sure Will Smeed would have had his heart in his mouth, but he just gets enough curve and it goes all the way for 6 runs.
Yeah, just that line of that ball from David Payne just got a little bit too straight. Will Smeed jumped all over it, and with a little flick, that bottom hand, powerful bottom hand, his heart would have been in his mouth a little bit, but just enough. 6 runs. Great shot.
Good shot again, and that is pure class, timing, everything you could imagine. Everything was in sync. Up and over, slightly slingy action, full wide and met with the full face of the bat. Hits the pitch hard. Smeed hits it even harder, and it's up into the flats. Terrific shot there from Smeed. 6 more.
That's a fantastic cricket shot, that. He's hit it on pure length. As you said, he's had a good snap at the crease from Dale. Just look at this, he jumps all over that. Short in stature as Will Smeed, but he's just elevated that up and off. Thanks very much.
Again, no swing. He's not learning. And Smeed pounces on another 4. Again, there's no swing, but this has gone higher. But has it gone far enough? Oh, you bet it has. It's gone straight into the teacup in the flats.
He's such a difficult player to bowl to. Hope she's okay. As Will Smeed launches this in, you have to be so careful now. You'd think you'd be safe sitting that far back, but he's players now to hit it so far. Maybe get a little ice pack on that.
Up and over. Short third, couldn't get to it. Hooked away and hooked all the way. 6-4.
Smeed's oblivious to what's going on at the other end. He's 47 from 22 now. It's as if no wickets have fallen at all. As far as he's concerned, he just goes on his merry way. 4 4s, 4 6s so far.
Up and over, extra cover. Oh. Just up that shape that it was going in that direction, but carved away the deep point. 9 overs gone, 81 for 4, and Smeed gets 50.
Oh, straight. This will go all the way, I think. No, 1 bounce. Straight into the sight screen. Couldn't hit it straighter.
Oh,
that's a beautifully played stroke from Smeed. He's not all power and aggression. There's a little bit of culture there too. Backward a square and hit firmly by Smeed. He's picked off boundaries both sides of the wicket in this over. In the air. Dale the bowler, and the catch is taken, and that is the end of Smeed, and a groan goes around the ground, but not from the Gloucestershire supporters. Van Buren takes the catch. Dale has taken the wicket. Smeed has gone. It's 112 for 5.
That is a huge, huge wicket for Gloucester. The dangerous Will Smeed. Just getting in a little bit late. Just goes straight up. Van Buren with the catch. Ajit Singh Dale with the wicket. And the dangerous Will Smeed has to part for 78. Somerset 112 for 5.